Welcome back. Today we're in Katba. We arrived, what time did we get here?
It's like 7.
7, and we are going on a boat at 8:10. After our sleeping bus. Until 5. Until 5.
And then we have an 18-hour bus.
Yeah, tomorrow. So that's really vibey. But JB's hanging back. Hannah's not well, so she's hanging back. So it's just us three and Katie.
I thought we were going to say just us three.
So yeah, but we're going to enjoy our little boat and take you along with us. So yeah, and we've got a GoPro. Yeah. What a treat, so we'll get some good vids. We have got on our little boat. Oh sorry, did we steal your chair? But yeah, we're on our little boat and we have like an hour until we get there. But it looks like today is going to be like kayaking, swimming, all going around. I think we're going around Laking Bay, Hai Long Bay and Katba, so it's pretty good situ, isn't it? Sorry? Oh yeah, but we're just gonna have a little sunbathe first. Yeah. And you can buy drinks on board, but everything else was included. And the boat was like 750, which is like 20 quid. So not bad for a whole day, and we get lunch, so yeah. So this is Langham Bay, and this is where they filmed the King Kong film. So I thought I'd show you guys, but it's literally stunning. We got so lucky with the weather as well. But it's very hot. It's literally beautiful.
And Mama. So this morning I met you at the Katba town, Katba center, but in the island, in countryside of Spring, right? Yeah.
So we are now in our little kayak. Katie's really quite good at kayaking.
You are very good at kayaking. I can confirm she's very good.
I've stolen Meg's GoPro for the vlog. I probably could have brought my phone to be fair, but it's actually quite nice to not have it. But it's really warm, but to be fair,
Don't swim, otherwise the kayak capsize.
the kayak's capsized.
Got paid for it. That's why we're not swimming.
So yeah, we're not swimming, but I'm going to give this back to Meg. But yeah, so this is the little Meg cam, hasn't it? Woo! Oh my god, she's jumping right on top of her. Oh my god, I think I've burned the whole soles of my feet. Oh no. Hey! Erin is at peace with the world. It's so salty, isn't it?
Yeah.
We just jumped off of up here. But the girls are going. Not Erin, you're Erin. Meg and Katie are going to go do it. But it was actually alright.
You didn't burn your feet because you had teeth.
No, I had Tevas on. I would say if you're doing a boat trip like this, definitely bring like Tevas or something.
Who was that? Oh my god. He just paid for it.
Like, he's gonna have a bruise like Katie. We just had we got back from our kayak and went for a little swim in the water, but we're all really orange now. And now it's lunchtime, so we've got our food coming, which is gonna be good. I'm really hungry. So yeah, we'll show you the food when it gets here. This is all the food so far, and we're gonna get spring rolls as well, so it's gonna be banging. I'm excited.
Yeah, mine's almost more like that. That's what it's actually. Yeah, it must just be the way you pick. It's actually gorgeous.
We have just got to this little beachy bit, which we're gonna go, but we've just been sat upstairs with the others, which has been really nice. But yeah, we're gonna have to get out and swim out. But Meg's got her GoPro. I can take my dry bag if you want.
I was in the shade anyway.
True. But yeah, so we're just gonna go to the beach now, but we'll take the GoPro. So.
Oh, I might get a life jacket and we can sit in it. Actually sucking air into the shape and the sun goes down.
Hi, it's a lot later now. We've got back from our boat trip and we had a drink in other guys we met on the boat. Oh, thank you. Hostel, and now we're back for dinner and we're actually going for a curry. And I'm well excited. It'd be nice to have some food that's like a little bit different. But yeah, so let you know what it's like. But we currently have hot dogs, so.
Not really, yeah.
We don't know what it's called though, but thank you. Yeah. I can't remember. Ganesh.
Actually,
Ganesh.
there's a really good Turkish restaurant.
Yeah, these are our best stuff so far, so we'll see. The onion bhajis have arrived and they look so good. We're sharing them and there's so many.
I'm drinking the worst pina colada I've ever touched in my life. Erin convinced me to get it. I should have ignored her and got it.
You got a whirly straw. But these, however, that looks unreal.
What's up, guys?
Our food has arrived. So we've got like literally so many naan breads. This is I got like a vegetable dal, which looks really good. We've got so much rice. Hey!
The chili chicken chips were insane.
They literally were. They were so good. So this literally looks unreal. So we're gonna tuck in. It's so dark. I'm so glad though because my eyes on camera look ridiculous. Look at that. I look like I haven't slept for 5 years. But we're all a bit run down, to be completely honest with you. Our bus is at 3:30 to leave Catba today. We were going to do like other stuff, but we were all tired, so we're just taking it chill. And we did the main thing we wanted to do, which was like so, but our food has arrived. We've come to, what's it called? It's called like coffee. Hannah died a death last night.
Not very well.
Hannah is not well, but the girls from the loop aren't well either, so we think it's alcohol. But I've got a coffee and my avocado on toast. So I'm gonna eat this and see if this fixes me. We've just come to a little market and there's like loads of stuff. Lots of like little clothes, and they have like the hats and stuff as well. And I reckon a lot of it here will be cheaper than like Hanoi and stuff. So lots of little tops and stuff like this. So we're gonna have a little look around. I'm not gonna lie, the Haijong loop has hit me, and we've also found out that the other girls that we were on the loop with aren't very well either. So I think it's gonna hit all of us. Ready for our 18-hour sleeper bus. So we're just trying to hydrate, have our electrolytes and everything like that, and take today nice and chill. But I'll let you know if we buy anything. Hey, we're all a bit dead, but Meg got a little green backpack. It looks like this. I got the pink one, it like folds up, and we're just preempting the tailored clothes we're gonna buy in Hoi An. JB got the like grey colour, and yours were like 150 to 200, which is like £5. And it's obviously like a little North Face. Then we all got little bracelets, and the bracelet and the necklace was £9.50, which is like £28, and this is what the necklace looks like, and they're real pearls, so, and they're like farm, but not farm, they're like fished from Catba, so it's really cool. So we've got that. So we've had a bit of a splurge of a day. Catba's drained my bank account. Like,
Money taken here, I don't agree what we've done.
literally. But all the girls, well, apart from Hannah, got bracelets and necklaces, so but yeah, we're just gonna chill now till our bus, so I'm gonna have some vitamins. We're now on our little bus. Me and Hannah are feeling really vibey, aren't we? But we're on our bus back to, we're getting changed at Nimbin, so it's not a sleeper bus, it's like a sat-up bus. Yeah. I like to do touch the seats, but it's okay, it's only for a few hours. So yeah, and then we'll be in Nimbin and then yeah. So we'll update you when we get there. A little bit of a jump scare, but we are on our second bus. I'm just doing my little face mask. I'm winding down for bed. My skin is so dry from all these buses, so I've just popped on a little face mask and it's making everyone laugh. Our first bus was low-key, but just so long, and we all went a little bit delirious. But I'm feeling better, which is one thing, so that's good. Just taking some more tablets as well. But yes, I'm gonna paint my nails, do my face mask, and then edit some TikToks and go to bed. This bus is mid-vlog. There we go. And away we go. Oh, Hannah, my screen turns on.
Like, have you got one?
Oh my god, my screen turns on.
Why not?
I actually have chargers at work, and I have a little screen. This doesn't look like the bus we booked, but it's actually alright. There's loads of leg room. I can like fully stretch out. And we're just leaving Nimbin now. But yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy my little sleeper bus, and then we're gonna be in Hoi An by 7 AM in the morning. So not too shabby at all. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the Catba vlog. It's a little bit of a shorter one as we're only there for one night. However, I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you next time for the Hoi An vlogs. Bye guys.